One windy night, deep in the heart of Neverland, a puzzle was stirring. "Oh, where could my treasure be?" thought Captain Hook as he paced his pirate ship, the Jolly Roger. Suddenly, he remembered a map, hidden away in his treasure chest. With excitement in his heart, he unfurled the old, yellowed parchment. The map showed a path through the treacherous whispering woods, across the wobbly Crocodile Bridge, and to the foot of a tall, mysterious mountain. Captain Hook, along with his loyal crocodile, Croaky, embarked on the adventure. They navigated through the woods, where the trees seemed to whisper secrets to them. As they reached the bridge, they found it was indeed wobbly. But Captain Hook, with a swashbuckling leap, made it safely across, leaving Croaky to catch up. Finally, they arrived at the base of the mysterious mountain. Captain Hook, with a determined glint in his eye, began the climb. The climb was steep and treacherous, but Captain Hook was a seasoned pirate. At the top, he found a cave pulsating with a warm, golden glow. Inside, he saw a chest, filled with the most beautiful, shimmering treasures he had ever seen. But then, he heard a voice. "Captain Hook, you've been tricked." It was Peter Pan, the boy who would never grow up. "I've been guarding this treasure for the lost boys," Peter explained. "Now, you can either leave it be, or fight us for it." Captain Hook, realizing he had been tricked, decided to retreat. He climbed down the mountain, with Croaky hot on his heels. Back on the Jolly Roger, Captain Hook sighed. "I've learned a valuable lesson," he muttered. "Sometimes, treasure isn't worth the risk." From that day on, Captain Hook focused on being a better pirate, not just a treasure hunter. He learned that true treasure was friendship, and he made peace with Peter Pan and the Lost Boys. And so, Captain Hook's adventure ended not with gold and jewels, but with a newfound appreciation for the friendships he had made along the way. The end.